It seems to me that this meme season is going to be a fantastic one, fellas. At this point, it appears as though things are going to go through the ceiling. We are witnessing things that we have never witnessed before. For instance, if you take a look at Google Trends at this very moment, you will notice that the word meme coin has reached a level of worldwide search volume that we have never seen before. This is evidence that stores are making a comeback, which is also evidence that the narrative of the meme coin supercycle is beginning to take shape. Individuals who have an interest in cryptocurrency are currently giving serious consideration to meme coins as an essential component of their business. Now guys, here's the thing. This trend on the Pepecoin chart is just insane. Additionally, I am of the opinion that the value of Pepecoin will continue to increase until it hits €0.000003. The answer is yes. If this occurs and the proof is found to be true, we will witness a significant breakout to the upside. At the moment, we are immersed in a sea of green. Things appear to be in order. Every single thing proceeds on a curve. At the same time as this market is incredibly exciting, we are quite greedy. Register for the channel if you want to achieve your crypto goals, and become a patron if you want to receive additional crypto portfolio unlock signs alpha calls. If you need to connect to the channel, you can do so by clicking here. Next week, we are going to have a fantastic stealth start that will go directly to the DEX coin. If you are a crypto legend, you will not pass up this possibility to multiply your investment by 10 to 100 times. There will be a great number of signs similar to the ones that you see on the screen. The time has come to discuss Pepe. Well, what exactly is the big deal about this, considering that COINBASE has been listing it? It is clear that the trend has been very robust ever since. That sum of money was spent on something. There has been a tiny decrease over the past 7 days, or there has been a significant increase over the past 7 days, but it has only had a 7% increase over the past day. It indicates that we are genuinely clinging to something. On the other hand, I am starting to notice that there is a certain level of consolidation that appears to be extremely satisfying on the 4-hour timescale. It is possible to observe that the all-time high is located at 0.0000257 in the event that this breakout does occur from the pattern that is currently being followed. Given the structure of the Fibonacci sequence, it is possible that we will be able to reach the golden pocket 1.618 Fibonacci level, which would place us at approximately 0.00000. Wow, that is a very powerful statement. In addition, I believe that Pepe, the original frog, is going to experience a very significant event in the near future. Therefore, this is a very, very powerful and food that is very, very good. If you look at that daily time frame, you will notice that it was a lot like March and April 2024, which was the last time we did it, and we did, go completely insane. Fingers crossed that this is the last time we do that. We are not going to allow something like this to occur again, and we anticipate that a vigorous legal action will follow. Due to the fact that everything is coming together perfectly, I do not believe that this will occur. With a great deal more volume than in the past, the money supply chart for MT2 appears to be in a very strong position. When we take a look at the situation over the course of a week, the S&P 500 and everything else appear to be in relatively good shape. To say that we are radical would be an understatement. In February and March of the previous year, an excessive amount of Pepecoin was purchased, despite the fact that the price was still lower. This time we are not as overpriced as we were in the past. Nonetheless, the price is greater, which indicates that you have a better chance of making money if you simply come in for volume. I believe there is room for development in this area. I have no idea how much more there is. I won't mention anything like 5 times, 10 times, or anything else. However, I have a great deal of confidence in Pepecoin itself. You can purchase some of this coin without having to go through the Know Your Customer process by using CASEX, which is the market down below. It is effective in every region of the planet. In addition, the reasons why CASEX is the finest cryptocurrency exchange are that it offers the lowest costs of any exchange on the market. Would you agree with that? Are you being advised by someone you can rely on to make use of a free exchange? Although the costs are cheap, he does not receive anything in return for them. In all honesty, however, I want to help you folks save money. Make use of this one, KXX. In the long run, it will be of great use to you in this regard. Are you not in agreement with me that the stats are just stunning? You know, it is just illogical. In this case, there is no way to argue against it. This month, the number has increased from 3.45 billion to 10 billion so far. At this very moment, I am one of the individuals that is quite enthusiastic about Pepe. There is a significant likelihood that we will witness a 100,000 Bitcoin in the near future because the current value of Bitcoin is $90 and 7,000. In addition, I believe that this time is very, very different, and I believe that we are capable of reaching 10,000,000. The reason for this is that the market capitalization of blockchain is just $3 trillion, while we are currently at $90,000. The conclusion cannot be this: we will not stop at 3 trillion from this point forward. After that, I believe that we are going to rise. This is not yet the end. The bull market cannot come to an end at this time. Aside from that, it is undeniably a catastrophic failure. Pepe is currently making some really hot charts. So guys, don't forget to check it out because it's making some crazy hot charts right now. Following that, Pepe went to COINBASE. Robinhood was ridden by Pepe. You should look for another possibility with Pepe that has the chance of becoming successful. It is recommended that you take a look at Pepe Unchained, which is an add-on to Pepe and a Layer 2 environment. A great number of individuals believe that this will be very successful. Right now, $33.06 million has been raised, and this initial coin offering will be listed on Tier 1 marketplaces in 26 days. As can be shown, the expense of one PEPE coin is equivalent to 0.287 Bitcoin. After connecting a MetaMask wallet or a DeFi hot wallet and converting Ethereum or Tether, all that is required to purchase one is to link the wallet instantaneously into your Pepe coins. I have already informed you that this is an additional component for Pepe. This is where you can acquire an alternative to Pepe. If you were unable to catch the huge 100x for Pepe, there is a possibility that Pepe Unchained will perform something comparable in the future. There is a promise of such nature in it. A DEX, a block viewer, and a bridge are the components that make up this layer of the ecosystem. If we have a look at the tokenomics, you will be able to receive a developer award as well as stake rewards. As far as we can tell, there are 8 billion coins. There will be no inflation because the pre-sale was successful in selling 40% of the 8 billion tokens that will be produced because of this. It is something that you should definitely take into consideration if you wish to diversify your assets a little bit. When it becomes live on those major platforms, which may be cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Robinhood, let us hope that it does exceptionally well. I have high hopes that this will lead to something significant, but it is possible that they have other plans in the works. They post a lot on Twitter. On its own, that single tweet had 33,000 views. The size of their surroundings is increasing at an alarming rate. The $30 million race has made them joyful, and they have 50,000 admirers. This indicates that I have a significant amount of cash flow, or at the very least, a significant amount of liquidity that is set aside for exchange listings, DEX listings, and significant modifications to their Layer 2 environment. It will be helpful for me to make significant marketing initiatives. If you are interested, you can look at it down below. If I were Pepecoin, would I want to keep this